Baby, you are my one and only.
Okay.
I'm not seeing any other girl. I will never see any other girl. As a matter of fact, you and I forever.
Okay, for that you just said, let me have a kiss. So are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing any other woman in this village?
I say you are my final bus stop. When I mean final bus stop, I mean final go. I will not see any other woman. I will never see any other woman.
Do you know why I'm trusting you?
Why?
I'm trusting you because of the way you've been to me all this while. But you know you guys change, right?
No. I'm unchangeable.
I love you.
Nobody will ever notice little Nonya is here.
I am sorry.
Nonya, how are you?
I knew you would be here.
Where else will I be? Of course, a woman should be where her heart belongs.
Sorry, I cannot be happy for you, my friend.
Nonya, what are you saying? You're not happy for me. Are you saying you're jealous?
I cannot see myself being happy for my friend who has chosen to be with a nobody.
Nonya? Nonya, you mad? Are you stupid? What are you saying? Nonya, don't tell me you came all the way here to insult my man.
Baby, calm down.
Baby, did you even hear what she said now?
Was she referring to me?
Obviously.
No. Did you see any other person here who looks like Ofeke? A nobody.
Nonya, so you came to insult me in my house?
Hey, your house. Hey, do you have a house? So if they call out on men who have a house, you crawl out.
Baby, relax.
Chimamanda, I came to tell you something.
Baby, please, baby, please, to hold her. My love, please. Run away! Run away! My love, please, my love.
No man born of a woman in Umweni can say that. What kind of story be this one now? Who even told them to say that?
Okudifo, remember you were talking about the elders, our fathers. So you should...
Excuse me, and so what? Is that the reason they should intimidate us like that?
Okay.
Hey!
My brother, calm down. You were not even there when everything happened. So who is feeding you with all these lies?
Ifedema, did you just speak now?
No, my shadow talk. Am I not supposed to speak? Am I dumb? I needed to talk so that we can redirect this meeting.
Yes.
And who told you that you can open that hole in your face to talk when I am still speaking?
Hey. So I shouldn't talk because you are talking. Who are you? Village headmaster or our father?
Even if everybody want to talk when I'm still speaking, not you now.
Why? Am I a lesser human being? Why?
Because I am the son of the soil. A bastard like you cannot interrupt me when I'm still speaking. On a matter concerning our fathers. Do you even have a father?
Okudifo.
Okudifo, you are pushing me to the wall, and when I bounce back, I swear you will regret it.
Let me tell you something. Before you feel in this your big head, in our next meeting that you want to suggest something, you should first go and locate who is your father. That is, if you know who he is.
Hey!
Listen.
Calm down.
With this sound of whom I tell you that you are not man enough to challenge me. If you prove it otherwise, bring it down and let's end this here.
Okudifo, you went too far.
Bring it down!
You are insulting a man for a crime not commit. You know it's not right.
No problem. Ifedima! Okudifo, you went too far, honestly. You went too far.
I don't like that.
I don't like this. Somebody needed to tell him the truth. If you people are just hiding everything, I don't do that.
It's not fair, guys. It's not fair.
Tell him the truth like this.
Yes!
Okudifo, you're very wrong.
Go, if you don't know, you don't know what to say.
Wow.
Okudifo, you went too far.
like I don't want to borrow you those things. But my point is this. If I borrow you those things, which one will I use on that day? I also need them. I want to come out and perform. I need to show my skill on that dancing competition.
Fedima, but you know that contest is for the legitimate sons of this village. Do we know legitimate sons?
Nnamdi, what are you trying to say?
Do not misunderstand me. What I'm trying to say is
No, say no more. Your message is clear. I'm not a legitimate...
Fedima, no be... Aburo Tawa now, Fedima, come!
Abasnami, I can be dangerous when I'm angry.
Obelife, you wake up, Woku. Eh? I didn't mean it that way.
Complete your statement now. That I'm not a legitimate son of Umwenu.
I don't mean it that way now.
I'm off here.
Fedima, I didn't mean it that way, oh. I didn't mean it that way.
I don't know what you guys are talking about, though. What the back? What the back? We don't talk to you. What the back? Hey, did you see it?
So you know if you greet me, we just come to this. Now you keep me here.
Okay, we ask you a question. You see the bag?
Do you think we are joking here? Answer my question, my friend.
School bag, Abi. Your scrutum. Which one?
Okay, answer question. They ask you a question. What did happen?
Hey, we should not be here wasting our time with this fool.
Nakaiwa.
Who let the dogs out? Ho, 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 ho. Who let the dogs out?
You want to kill your mother, Ifedi? Please, don't do this. Ifedima. What has come over you now? Please, don't do this.
What has come over me has always been over me.
What is happening there? Ifedima, open this door.
Am I asking an invalid question?
What are you asking now? Ifedi, you know I love you. I can do anything for you. Tell me and I'll
Quiet.
do it. Please, I beg you. Please.
Who is my father?
Ifedima, do you want to kill your mother?
My peers are always calling me a bastard. Do you enjoy that? It's a simple question.
Ifedima, what has come over you? Open the door.
Who is my father?
Okay, just calm down, okay? Bring down the gun. I'll tell you. Please, I'm your mother, please.
Don't make me repeat myself, else I will blow your skull. Who is my father?
Wow! If you don't kill me, please. I beg you.
Who is my father?
Hey! People of Umwenu, come on, see you!
Grandma
You want to kill your mother?
Grandma
Hey!
Grandma Zoike.
Please, I beg
Biko! Hello.
Grandma, tell her to open her mouth and start talking. I want to know who my father is. I've been patient all this while, but today is your last day if you don't tell me who my father is.
Where did you get a gun from? And you're pointing it at your mother. Fedima, it's an abomination.
Grandma, do not deviate from the point. Yes, are you a partial grandma? The only abomination here is that my mother has refused to tell me who my father is. If you don't tell me who my father is, I swear I will empty the bullets in this gun on you. Who is my father? If I fell down from the sky, tell me the sky.
Okay, I'll tell you, please. Don't bring down this gun.
Paulina, please tell him. Tell him, oh, you don't have to die for this.
You have a father. You have a father, yes.
Good. Where is he? Where is he from?
I'll tell you.
Who is he?
I'll tell you, just come to bring this thing down now, please.
What are you doing here? How many times will I have to tell you that you don't have any business with my room? What are you doing here?
I came to tell you.
Shh! Don't stutter. Tell me why you're here and get out.
I am pregnant.
What? What? What did you just say?
I am pregnant.
Listen to me. Are you listening to me? There is no way I will fall into this rubbish prank you just said. Right?
Boy, it happened after that night.
Shut up. There is no night. Did you hear me? No night as such existed. Listen attentively. You will have to take that shit out of your stomach. Else, I will stab this cigarette in your eyes. Did you hear what I said?
Then I was living in Asaba. Your father was a cultist. A deadly man that everyone feared. I happened to be one of those that felt his rage. He raped me.
So, I'm an outcome of a rape by a cultist.
That is why I didn't want to tell you in the first place. Because some truths are better left unsaid, my son. But you are better off the way you are than knowing the painful truth.
And you didn't tell me. Paulina, I know how I pressed on you to tell me, but no. You kept me in the dark all these years.
Mama, I was battling with lots of emotions. I thought God had forgotten me. But, Mama, I was careful while growing up as a child.
Yes, you were. You were.
And if there's anybody that should be raped, it should not be me. No.
I understand. It's okay.
So I am the son of a rapist who is also a cultist. So after he pushed you out of his house, What happened?
Please don't kill me.
Come here. Why did you touch the tiger's tail? You look so beautiful and innocent too. What did you do to yourself?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I don't owe you. I don't know what you're talking about.
The Grandmaster Piccolo sent me to you. Believe me, he does not want to see you on the street, except your walking corpse.
Don't kill me.
But I will not kill you. Not because I care about any woman's life. But somehow, I cannot see myself pulling a trigger on you. But you must help yourself. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
You must help yourself. Pack all your things and leave Asaba.
Sir.
The Grandmaster does not want you alive. Do you understand? Be fast about it. Pack all your things and leave. Remember, never to return.
I will go in search of Piccolo.
Yeah.
And when I find him, I will make him understand. No, Becca. He is too small.
I'm sure I didn't hear you well. You will do what?
Mama, you heard me loud and clear. I will find Piccolo and make him pay dearly for all he did.
My son, listen to me for once now. Eh? You cannot go in search of that evil man. And I don't want you to have anything to do with him. He's a bad man. He lived a terrible life. He terrorizes people. Please don't get involved with him. Please, I beg you.
I don't care, Mama. If he's bad, I am worse. A man that sent people to kill an innocent pregnant woman can do nothing. Absolutely nothing to me.
Ife, he can kill you. He killed many then, and I'm sure he's still killing.
Mama, you are underrating me and I hate it. You don't know me too well. I've seen things in life. I've come face to face with the Otukpo or Lukpo of Umuenu and they made way for me. So who is Piccolo? No, who is Piccolo? I will put him in his place.
Ifedima, please for once listen to your mother. You have a bright future before you. You don't need all these problems. Please, my son, Mama,
no, leave me alone. Though it feels good to know that I'm a son of a strong man, that makes me a stronger man.
Ifedima, you'll be foolish to think like that. How can you be proud of such a man to be your father?
Mama, it's not like I'm proud of him, but it feels good to know that your father is a strong man. I need to know everything about Piccolo.
Well, the only thing I know about him is his name and where he lived. He was a very popular man at Cable Point in Asaba.
So I was conceived at Cable Point, Asaba. Omaka. Beautiful. I will go in search of Piccolo tomorrow and nothing. When I say nothing, I mean absolutely nothing can change that.
Ifedima, come. Hey, Paulina.
Will you allow him go?
Mama, you talk as if you don't know Ifedima, eh?
How?
I'm sure you will not find that evil man. My only concern is, if people get to know who he is, they might harm him because of Piccolo. That's why I don't want him to get involved.
We must stop him.
Mama, you seem to be ignorant of your own grandson. Eh? Remember, he still has the gun. Oh.
My love, take this phone. Once I get to Asaba, anytime I call you here after talking with you, you will take the phone to Mama and Grandma so that I will also talk with them. I don't like it when I disconnect with people I love, okay?
But, Obim, if I take your phone, which one would you now use to call me?
I am a man. I can always find my way. So hold it.
Okay. But, Obim, must you go?
I thought I mistakenly told you why I was going.
Yes, you said you want to go and look for your father.
So you heard me loud and clear? So why are you not saying I shouldn't go?
What I'm saying is...
Don't say anything. So you enjoy it when my fellow youths call me bastard?
Mbakwa.
Which one is Mbakwa? I told you I'm going to the city in search of my biological father. And you are saying I should not go. That means you are my enemy. Give me my phone.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
Give me this phone.
I'm sorry. I can't be your enemy now. What I'm trying to say is it not better we go together? Take me with you now.
Take you with me as what?
Who's your girlfriend now?
I'm going to look for my own biological father, not your father. So why will I take you?
But he will certainly be my father when we get married.
Let me find him first. When I marry you, we can now share.
Why are you sounding as if you're not sure you're going to marry me?
Chimamanda, Zukwanike.
Oh.
Chimamanda, Zuoike. Huh?
But wait, Ifed, how are you going to cope in this Asaba you're going to? Where will you even stay?
Mama, how can you be asking a full-grown man such question? When I get to Asaba will take care of me. I will meet people now. So let Asaba handle those ones. Pico.
My son, my God will go with you.
Amen.
Just be careful when you get there. Oh, be careful.
I will, Grandma. Once I get there, I'll call my love. She'll bring the phone to you people so that we can talk.
Well, I see you've made up your mind already. Just take care and be careful. Remember all I told you already, okay?
I will, Mama. I will. Listen. Make sure you come time to time to check on them.
I will.
I know that if Lev is eyeing you. I'm talking about Okudifo. Don't fall for him.
Never.
Don't fall for him.
Never.
You guys don't come. Oh,
Mama will be fine. Don't worry about it.
Listen, Zubby.
It's all over.
Listen.
Bye-bye.
Safe journey. Eh? My God will go with you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Eh?
Any problem? What's the meaning of this? Do I know you?
I know you thought I wouldn't find you. Give it to me immediately.
What are you talking about?
Where is the bag you took from the bush yesterday? Don't get me angry. I'm not joking with you.
Well, it's obvious you are jobless and you have no purpose in life. Because if you have job or you have purpose, you wouldn't be here talking nonsense. Everybody got a family problem. But the problem now, who carry it won't come outside.
Where is the gun? I've handled tougher men than you. You were a dead mate if you don't give me that gun right now.
My brother, it has not gotten to this. We are one. I was just joking. Actually, I kept the gun for you. See? Now, Abana. You have got it.
Drop it. Leave it there. Drop it.
Thank you very much, sir. Leave her now. What's happening now? Calm down now. What did you do? Oh, calm down. Wait, calm down now. Madam, what did you do? What did you do? Madam. 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 These people brought food. Jesus. Yeah? What?
Oga. Welcome to Cable Point.
Don't welcome to Cable Point. Where's my bag now? Are you part of them?
Oga.
Are you part of them?
Calm down, Oga. I'm not.
Where is my bag?
Your bag. Your bag don't go.
Jesus.
Your bag, it don't go.
That's what they pay for here. I was trying to save the woman. All of a sudden, my bag disappeared.
Oga, calm down. Here in a Cable. Cable Point, the blackest part of Asaba. They know the save person for here. If you see person, anything will happen for here, you just they go straight. They know the save person for here, Oga. Oga, come back. Your bag, you don't go. Nobody. The person will carry herself, you don't go see her. Police self, they'll fit catch her. You don't go. You resemble Elumuno, the young man selling palm wine down the street. Are you sure you're not his relative? When I know come from the same place.
I beg, where in there? I want to see him.
You go see him, but when you calm down. Shop dey down there.
So nobody will help me here, even police?
I say police. They know they even reason us again. They don't forget us. Yeah, now Sodom and Gomorrah, they don't abandon us. Nothing fit come out. Calm down, man. I tell you where the guy shop there. See, if you walk out like this, okay, calm down, your bag don't go. Chill. If you come out like this now, you go straight. If you go down, straight, oh. By your right, you go see the man shop. They just, even the customers, they know him. Just ask, they know. They go show you where the guy is. See, for here, if they come cable, you must gallant. Gallant. Open your eyes. Anybody will call you chest them. Forget your bag, okay? Your bag, you don't go. Forget them. Just they go. Begin they go now before they go collect your shirts. I beg. They go collect your shirts, so make you they go now.
How I wish I arrived with the gun. That would have been the best time to announce myself. Relax, I don't come rob you. I beg, I dey look for a low moon. One girl direct me say if I see her in the day here.
A girl? What for?
I say I no come rob you, everywhere good. Na a low moon I dey look for. If not you, like I tell you why I dey look for.
Now let you come.
Na only me waka come.
You see me?
I don't see you.
You mean low moon?
I beg, me will sit two aside.
Go aside first and they come. Make I just they know the entire, you know, see out of bound for the. I write up for. I go come meet you for the. I go bring one glass of palm wine.
Just here. Alpha, has he called you?
Mama, he hasn't called.
Hi.
Oh, I don't know. He will definitely call today.
What?
That's why I came, so that when he calls, I will give you the phone to speak to him.
I don't know why Fedima will not listen to me. I never wanted him to travel anywhere in the first place.
Oh, Mama, he needed to make that move. He needed to. The whole thing was just weighing him down.
But I'm worried. He's not calling you.
He's going to call.
Are you sure?
He will, definitely.
Hey, I just hope he's fine.
He is fine. You know what? Let's just sit and wait for him. Let's sit and wait for his call.
I just hope he's fine. That's my
Mama, he's fine. He's going to call, definitely. He will. He will call. Let's just wait.
I'm scared.
Mama, relax. Calm down. He will call.
Hey.
He just left now. He will call.
Okay.
Of the truth, you have the woman you talk. And what are you going to do? This one you don't have the information you came to look for.
My brother, the thing pain me. Every information about him, they that bad where those guys move.
So what are you planning to do? Do you rather go back to your village to get back the information?
No, that one is out of it. How do I explain to my people that my fellow men snatched my bag out of me? They will see me as a weakling, especially my girlfriend. I can't even go and say such.
I understand. But not a problem. I can accommodate you in my house. Yes, I can accommodate you in my house. So you can stay as long as you want until you decide what next to do.
Brother, thank you very much. You are indeed my brother.
Come on. You don't have to be thanking me this much. It's not a crime for a brother to help his own brother. We speak the same tongue.
I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you very much. But I can still be helping you out here. I'm not going to work. I feel help you for a joint.
No. You see these people that comes here are crazy people. They're not normal. It takes a crazy one to attend to them. Looking at you, you are innocent.
Barman. Bring one more jar. We put more people inside so that people will keep drink.
See what I'm saying? Crazy people. He said I should bring this thing and add something inside. Look at his face. He comes here 12 o'clock midnight waiting for me. And they come. Just finish that one first,
They don't finish. See my baby for you. I made them give us something.
Pay for that one first before you ask for another one.
Okay, they do fast now. He said make I pay for this one. I never.
What is the meaning of this one now, You didn't tell me that you're a specialist in startling people. This was exactly the same thing you did the first time you arrived here.
What kind of factory is this? What are you doing? So you get mind, they sell this thing to people. This is wrong now.
Cool down and learn from the master. You know we have the same tongue. Learn from me. See, this is cable point and man must survive.
Man must survive at the expense of people's life. You want to kill the masses. How could they sell this thing to people? What do they mix?
This is the more reason I said you should learn from the master. Hey, you know you're a newcomer. See, let me tell you, these things you see, they are not harmful. Rather, they are foreign. I am trying to introduce foreign thing into a local environment like this. See, by the time you learn from me, you will know what I'm doing. This palm wine you see is foreign, made by the special hands of Wokoku Elomono in Cable Point. You should learn not to startle me again, You see? Because sometimes you will startle me, I will miss you inside the palm wine. I won't say.
With this behavior, one room in here. One room in here. Can you imagine? Look at what this man is mixing for people. See, This cable is crazy and lawless.
Wait. Why are you making it appear as if I did not apologize? I caught up with him and I apologized.
When you apologized to him, what did he say?
What were you expecting? He just gave me one insulting gaze and left.
He gave you one insulting gaze and left. What did you make of that?
The only thing I made of that is that he's an idiot. That guy is a big fool. That is the only thing.
You insulted this guy. What I was expecting you to do is to give him a genuine apology. Apologize properly. Yes.
I know I insulted him. Even if I am to apologize, it's no longer possible because that guy is not in this town anymore.
What do you mean by that?
For you to say that means you are not aware of what is happening.
What happened?
He left because he knows that he does not belong to this town. He left. And as for Chimamanda, that idiot, I'm waiting for an opportunity, a very good opportunity. I will hit her. I will make her pregnant and I will deny her.
What kind of a human being is this? Why is this guy so wicked? Why?
Ifedima, you see this business? I can never do without it.
See, let's call a spade a spade. This is not a good business. Have you thought about what will happen if people find out what you are selling to them all in the name of palm oil?
It will only be a blabbermouth like you who will go out there to tell them that this is what Elo Muno does to his palm wine.
I will not tell them. I don't have time. But one day, Monkey will go market. No one will come back. So let's change business now. Let's do something better.
You see, if Edima, since I came to Asaba, this is the business I've been doing. And the only person that needs a job right now is you.
See, my brother, we need to emulate Vincent, your neighbor.
You see what I'm saying? No, have you seen it? Have you seen what I'm talking about?
Did I say anything wrong?
Yes. Everything you said, in fact, since you came to Asaba, everything you have been saying is wrong. It is wrong. Fedima, why do you like getting on my nerves? Is it a crime to accommodate a forsaken brother who does not have a place for himself? Is it a crime?
It's not a crime, but let's call it spade a spade. That your neighbor Vincent is more connected. So let's follow his route now.
Why? No, give me one reason why I should follow his route. What can you even learn from a criminal, a thief?
You cannot call him a thief because he has never been caught stealing from people.
You see? You see what Elomuna is talking about? So tell me, how do you judge his source of income? And the money has been thrown around. How do you explain that? If not from stealing.
No, that guy has international connection. He has a laptop. He browses. So I think that international link is what is giving him money. Let's go close and understand instead of beefing him.
Look at this JJC. Someone that just came to Asaba yesterday want to lecture me on how things is being done. It is me, Elo Muno, who will tell you how things are being done in the nooks and crannies of this cable. I will tell you.
I know, sir, I be JJC. I know, sir, I be local champion. But what I try to let you know is say, if you follow who no road, don't be by JJC or local champion. That guy, Vincent, is doing well. He sees money. He's on point. He's the correct guy. So instead of beefing him, let's go close and learn. We'll learn one or two help our life now. He just did the beef the guy.
The answer is no.
What did that guy do yourself? Why do you hate him so much?
Look, I hate Vincent with every blood inside of me. The answer still remains no. And you see what? You will not even go close to Vincent because you stay under my roof. Yes.
Why?
See, Vincent has done a whole lot. He has done me so many terrible things I cannot even explain. If I tell you if I tell you what Vincent did to me,
What is it, Olemuno? I have told you, I do not deal with local men like you.
Hi, Golodin! 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 Hi, how can you say such a thing now, eh? How can you look at me and call me a local champ? Hi, no, now, look at me. You can't, if you see me see me, oh.
Well, what I can see in you is a palm wine seller.
Hi, good deal. Hi, see, my name is Elomuno. And if you know me too well, you have confidence that you get to your house safe and sound. Nobody will embarrass you. You see this palm wine business, I am trying to upgrade it. When I finish transforming it, that is, I will transform it into a bar. When people will come and drink, they will drink and drink and drink, and they will start dancing. They will dance till nightfall.
You mean a nightclub?
Exactly. Exactly. And then I have also made preparation of those bulbs that don't have respect. Those bulbs that when you look them like this, they will look you too tight. And they will be dancing. They will be dancing. They will be dancing.
Well, you need to convince me that you are a modern man. That's when I can listen to you.
That is the point. That is why I ran after you, so that you will tell me how to convince you. Just tell me now, and Elomuno will do it.
You're not looking bad anyway.
At all. My village people don't know me. They don't know I relocated to this place.
I only communicate with men through email. Do you have an email?
What did you just call it?
Email. You do it with computer or a smartphone. Do you know about it? No, you don't.
I always try and apply brake. You know you are endowed, and you don't have to be on high speed with this thing you're carrying. Look, apply brake. And you see, I love you so much. I love you so much. Tell me how to get this email. I will get it for you. But the only thing I cannot do for you is to sell my palm wine shop. But any other thing I can do it. Just tell me where I can get this email for you, and I will get it. Whether you need black or blue, I know what guests like. People like you, I can get a pink email.
Sorry, you can't buy an email with money. You open email. If you open yours, you get back at me.
Goldie, you mean I should open it? Okay. Goldie, don't worry. I will open it and I will get back to you. Eh? Hey. Goldie, no. What is hey? Is she trying to talk about store? If it's store, I know I can get store for her. Because she mentioned her address. It's just for me to meet the agent and tell her this email where I'll buy the store. In fact, Vincent, the computer wizard. Vincent, the computer wizard. You know I knew you can do this. I knew you would be the one that can do this thing. Eh? See, when the girl was making shakara, I was just laughing at her. Because I already know I have someone like you who can do this thing. Now, I will catch her in my net.
That girl must really be a hot girl for her to make such requests. Anyway, internet girls are always hot.
Yeah. You see, I'm looking at you. That girl, she's hotter than hot. In fact, I have never seen a girl that is as hot as this particular girl I'm talking. You need to see her. Who couldn't know, my brother? Look, and with such waist, if I describe the molecular, the vascular structure, you will be confused. Look, if you want to climb her, you will need a ladder. You know when you will climb the Ukunu like this and you will be taking it from angle 45.
Elomuno.
That is me. That is me.
How do you like this? Why are you like this? No. Look at how you are just describing it. Climbing a ladder, climbing this. Where are you climbing to?
You will not understand.
You and women. Each time you find a new woman, she's always on. Anytime you get a new one. When you get, after this one, now you get another one. This same description, that is what you also give to her. They do you with woman.
It's not my fault, oh. Vincent, it's not my fault. You see, when God wanted to create me, he wanted to bring me to this world as woman, but he thought about it. I had the second thought and said, no, this person, you are very industrious. He now said I should come as a man. Meanwhile, he had already put in some element of women's spirit in me. So that is what I use in surviving. And you see, I like women a lot, oh. You know, most times I wonder how you cope with that woman. And all you do is just to sit down here, pressing your computer, doing your computer like this, like someone that is playing piano in church.
Anyways, you're right. Computer is my own source of happiness.
Hey,
Yeah. It's what gives me joy. I like doing it. It's very good. I mean, if you learn how to operate a computer, you will love it.
Chai.
Anyways, job done. You now have a Yahoo Mail. Yeah. You now have a Yahoo Mail.
I don't have it.
Yes.
What did you call it?
A Yahoo Mail.
No. No, she told me email address. Email address. Clean that. Where is the Yahoo? Clean the Yahoo and leave the mail.
Clean this your mouth. Stop talking rubbish. Look at you talking trash. Are you this daft? Look at you. See, what she meant is a Gmail, okay? A Gmail, a Giggle, an internet. All of them are all internet means of communication. But I decided to create a Yahoo Mail because that one is popular. That is what almost everybody uses, okay? So right there. So now what you need to do is you get me her address.
Huh?
I say her address.
Vincent. So Vincent, since that we have been laughing, exchanging pleasantries, you don't like it? I should give you my Ukunu's address. Vincent? Vincent, I should not give you my Ukun because I'm proud of your fingers pointing it as if you are playing keyboard. I should give you my Ukunu's address. What does this work now have to do with her address?
That is not what I mean. I'm not referring to her house address. What I mean is her email address. Her email address.
She did not give it to me. But am I supposed to bring it along?
Yes. You are supposed to have her address. It's true that means that you can chat up with her. All right? But anyway, you can do that next time. For now, payment time.
This is 10,000 naira. You know, I always pay in full. I don't like to owe debt.
Yes, complete. 10,000.
Yes, I pay in full. I don't owe debt.
See, this work is not an easy work.
I know. I saw the way you were.
Yeah, it's not an easy work.
Quick one. As now I've given you your money. What's next? What am I going to do next?
What you need to do next is you get me her address so that will help you chat up with her. And then, but that one you have to pay because chatting her up is not an easy thing. But don't worry, bring the address first. Bring the address, and secondly, I will write down your own address so that you also give it to her. Okay?
Yeah, good. Vincent, the wizard. You know, I never knew that this your computer would be one day useful to me.
Of course, a minute, I'm coming.
Okay. Hey. Now I'm catching a big fish. Ukunu. she will know that I mean business. Is it easy for you to pay 10,000 naira just to get a girl? Eh? By the time I present my email address to her, bam, she will know that yes, Elo Muno means real business. And talking about her, she's really high class. And it is only high class people like me, Elo Muno, that can have such a girl. Hey, Vicentum, because Biao is like the email address want to disappear. It's offing and on. Asanwa. Hey, you look like the sun.
Hello, Mona. How many times have I warned you not to ever stop me on the road again?
Oh, Echefulum, please don't mind me. You know, a businessman is always busy. The brain is always busy. Remind me, where did you say I should be stopping you? Is it close to my house or that bush that leads to the cemetery where they bury widows? Or your normal spot, Ukumango?
You're a fool.
Huh?
You heard me right. I said you are a fool. Don't you ever stop me again. Besides, what makes you think I can ever have something to do with you?
What did you just say? What did you just say?
You heard me.
Oh. You are the biggest fool. You should be happy that someone like me, Elo Muno, left what I was doing there to stop you on the way, let alone talking to you. Eh?
As what? Like, who are you? What gave you the confidence?
Oh, you know what I will tell you now? I will tell you, get out! Get out! Do you know the kind of girls I mingle with? I mingle with girls that have class. Girls you can talk to on email address. Not someone like you that I can just buy okpa and coke and you will follow me to my house.
So what's so special about those girls?
What do you know? You are a local champ. You don't know anything because, you see, email address are classic girls. They don't talk about girls like you that they will toast in the bus stop and you end up in the keke that is spoiled. We are talking about girls you talk to email and from there you take them to a big restaurant where lights will be dancing around. See, let me tell you, you are a local champion. Do you know that I paid 10,000 naira just to get a girl? Oh, you're opening your mouth like Yoruba man. I paid 10,000 naira just to open an email. Which youth in this cable will give out 10,000 naira for email address? Eh? You are playing with your destiny, but you don't know.
Such a fool.
What did you say?
You heard me. I said you are a fool. You paid 10,000 naira to open an email so that you can talk to a girl. And you are here saying it. I mean, who pays money to open email? Anyway, such girls are good for you. Because they will dry your already empty pockets. Foolish man.
I don't blame you. In fact, I blame myself for stopping you in the first place. Eh? Who do you think you are? Eh? In fact, I am wasting my time talking to you. Who do you really think you are?
I'm the one wasting my time listening to a fool like you.
No! You are supposed to be crying for yourself.
Anyway, what am I even wasting time talking to a foolish man like you?
Please, just get out of my sight.
Don't you ever stop me on the road again. Else.
Stop! Get out! Get out! You see? That yash is not real, that's why it's not shaking. In fact, everything you are putting on is not real. The skin is not real. The air is not real. Even that phone is not working well because if that phone is real, you will be driving on a very good car. Nama. Show me one original yellow girl that will be moving under this sun, if not the spirit of organic cream that is working on you. You see someone like Elo Muno standing in front of my shop. You are raising your voice. Please now, don't do this to me now, please now. Biko, you know how my blood is always hot about you. Please.
Hello, Muno. You are wasting my time. I told you I do not deal with men on Yahoo Mail. What else do you want me to do?
I'm dead. Golodin, Biko, manage this one that I opened. I manage this Yahoo Mail. See, I promise next month I'll open another one for you. If I spend the money opening email for you, which one will I now use to take care of you by the time we start tangling like a cookie?
What money are you talking about here?
The money I use in opening this one you are rejecting now.
Hello, Muno. Must you be funny in everything you do? I think you're not even serious about having me.
I'm serious, oh. Makachuko, I'm very serious. This time I'm serious. I'm always like this. In fact, I'm dead serious. See, if I'm not serious, let them close my shop. And I'm very serious. Do you know I'm even serious to have you as my spiritual wife? You see that boy? I gave him 10,000 naira to open this email you're rejecting now. And if you're asking me to open another one, we're talking about 20,000 naira. That's about 4 gallons of my palm wine.
Hello, Muno. You do not spend a kobo to open an email.
You say?
You will not spend a kobo. The highest you pay is 100 naira just for the cyber time or to load your data for your smartphone. So I don't understand this on 10,000, 20,000 you're spending. I just really think you're not serious about having me, because if you do, you'll do what I said. Have a good day.
Hey! So you mean just to have this only 100 naira and you have been wasting my time? You would have told me that day I will give you 700 naira. Yeah, Vincent. Hey, Vincent Eliam. Vincent, you have the mind to collect my 10,000 naira, Vincent. Hey, Vincent, you collected my 10,000 naira. Vincent, I am telling you that you are worse than those boys. You see those boys moving about at night, stealing people's things. You are worse than them, Vincent. So this is what you do with what do you call it? That's your miserable computer, eh?
Must you shut up? Must you shut your mouth up? What's that your name again? Elumuno or Anumanu? I think your parents were supposed to name you Anumanu. They mistook you and they called you Elumuno. That is what you are, Anumanu. That is what you are. You asked me to open an email for you, which I did. You said your babe said it was not acceptable. I have to open a new one. So you don't want to pay for the new one I opened for you?
You're a big fool. Vincent, you are the biggest fool I've ever seen. Eh? Oh! So you think that you want to guy me? Eh? Simply because I don't have people's time. You want to guy me. You think I don't know that the email is free? Eh?
What?
What is what? What is what?
Who told you that?
You're asking me that useless question. You see why I call you a fool? See your face. See how you put your face like soldier that I see in his position.
Hey, shut up!
If you talk, let me just tell you now. I did not come here for rubbish. You better go inside your house, or if it's in your pocket, give me back my 10,000 naira.
You are talking rubbish. Elumuno, I said you are vomiting rubbish from your mouth. You don't want to pay for the work? You don't want to pay for your services?
I'm talking rubbish.
Yes.
I don't want to pay for my work. Look, let me tell you. I will show you why they call me the sole distributor of foreign palm wine in Cabo. If by the time I'm through with you.
My friend, shut your mouth. There is no money for you, Elumuno. There is no money for you. Listen to me. You better put on this shirt of yours before people in this neighborhood will think you are a madman, because you are actually exhibiting the attitude of a madman. Put on this shirt. Anumanu.
Vincent, you call me a madman?
Yes.
You call me a madman?
That is who you are.
Okay. Okay.
What do you want?
Ever since then, that criminal, that thief has refused to give me back my money. You now see the reason why I don't want to go closer to him. Look, I don't want to have anything to do with that boy again.
My brother, if all you said is true, that means Vincent messed up. What he did is wrong. But having said that, you'll be Mugu. So, you be better Mugu now. Even me, where come from village, say they know they pay for email. They know they buy email. Which one be? I want for you.
Oh.
They claim big boy, they claim this. You don't know, say, you be Mugu now.
Chelo, if you didn't, I thought we were brothers. So in my very before, you are not supporting a thief. Eh? Someone who capitalized in my ignorance, coiling away with my 10,000 naira, and he has refused to give me. You know what? I will deal with him.
He's not a thief. Because what you do is more criminal than what he does.
First, you called me a mugu. I still have not thrown you out. You don't know that mentioning that word mugu, by now you don't even have a clothes. So why will I throw your clothes out when you don't have a clothes? Now you are calling me a thief.
I'm sorry about that, but let's call it a spade a spade. Vincent does his criminal activities or whatever with foreign people. Oyibo, through his laptop, from the comfort of his house. But you do your own here. People might send you on this shop ablaze once they find out.
Hey, enough of this. What's the meaning of this one now, eh? Is it because I'm giving you a professional treatment? What is the meaning of this rubbish? Did they send you for Mumwenu to come and tarnish my business career? Eh?
No problem. You are my brother. All I owe you is the truth. I've said my own. Bye-bye.
And where do you think you are going to? Come. I hope you are not leaving this my shop going to meet that 419 of a boy. I am not a nice person, no. Don't forget you are living under my roof. You are eating my food. You are even wearing my clothes. Check it out, Ifedema.
Oga landlord, no verse. Thanks for giving me one duplex in your estate. And I've told you the truth. Bye-bye.
Oh, that is what you have to say, right? Eh? Put my clothes. Put my shirt. Ifedema. Okay. Don't worry. You will come back now. You will come and meet me. You are eating my food. You are sleeping under my roof. Yet you still want to mingle with that criminal, that thief. It's all right.
People plenty here.
People full for here. See, like this one. I just told her I will buy gold and supply to her. As I'm speaking to you right now, by tomorrow, she go dey wire 50k into my account.
Just like that?
Just like that. Now so the thing they work.
Okay, wait. You go buy the gold, send for her when she send the money.
You that confirm Olodo. You don't know anything. If you demand. Buy which kind of gold? Now her money where my interest dey. I'm only interested in her money. Buy which kind of gold?
Is it that easy? Okay, how did you convince her?
See, if you want to learn this work, go prepare. Come, make I teach you the work. See, as she is now, she's already feeling I'll become her boyfriend because she saw my picture and she's already falling in love.
Oh.
Yeah.
You sent her your picture? But she will use and catch you now because she will see you tomorrow.
Yeah. I will learn her catch you. Besides, it's not even my picture she saw. I sent another man's picture.
Okay. This is interesting.
That's what they do. Now I make, then they call me Vincent, the computer wizard.
I bet you go teach me. I don't know the interest.
Don't worry, we'll go run the things. That's how they do as soon as we do.
Hello, Moon. How far now? Hello, Moon. Above you, this one where they eat from pot. I hope say my own food is still there.
Yes. Go to the kitchen. You see that bag of cement? Take it and eat.
See, Bob, no, they joke this kind of joke. You know I don't joke with my stomach. Which one be this one now? Why they eat from pot? Hope say what I go try out there.
I left a bag of cement for you now. So Ifedima, I want you to stay away from Vincent, but you refused. You went there to spend almost the whole day. Now you are coming back here to ask for food. That was why I left that bag of cement, because I know you will be very hungry.
So this is because of Vincent? So as I see Vincent now, I no go eat again. What in the soup now? You pass this one. I go back there now. As you don't reject me, Vincent, you get what I could eat.
Good. In fact, go back there because since you came to this house, all my children don't get home. Hey! Ifedima! Ifedima! Wait. Ifedima, if I must talk to you, you better go inside the house, pull everything you are wearing because these are my clothes.
This is unfair now. Must you announce that I'm wearing your clothes? You don't have any other clothes to wear. Or do you want me to remember how those boys attacked me?
Oh, hello, Muno. Look at my face. The right mother care for my face. No, I'm asking you. Do I look like I care? See, my friend, just go in there, pull my clothes that you're wearing.
What did I do with you? Huh? From remove your clothes now, you still ask me to leave your house one day.
How did you know? How did you know? In fact, you never told me that you are a prophet. Because I was about saying that. Because as you're standing here now, Sefe, you don't even leave my house, but you don't know.
My brother, calm down. Listen, Vincent is not as bad as you think. Yes, my correct guy, you. Let me show you what he gave me. He gave me 4,000 naira.
Wait. Vincent that you and I know gave you 4,000 naira.
Just because I was there when he started one transaction and the money dropped, he gave me 4K. Listen, let me tell you, you need to stop beefing Vincent and come close. That guy is brainy. Are you getting me? Because this is where they mix the set of people all in the name of palm wine. The day where the general public go find out, they feel set you ablaze. So don't open that one. See what you will do. You go near Vincent, make him teach us what he need to do. So that we go to get money. He's thinking globally, so let's think towards that direction.
He said, my guy.
Listen, my guy. If you must make it big in life, you must be communicating with whites. That's what Vincent is doing. He's communicating with whites, so let's join him and learn more. I believe it will pay us faster. This is better than this concoction you're mixing and selling to people. They will set you ablaze one day.
It's okay, it's okay. But Ifedima, I believe you, but you are sure that Vincent gave you this 4,000?
No. It is an account. Now 4K, just because I was there, I did not do anything.
Only? That means because I am here now, you will give me 2K after I did not do anything. Ifedima, my guy.
You're a funny landlord.
Give me 2K. Give me
1K.
Thank you. You see, I have extra clothes too. I have extra clothes. I even have extra boxers. Remember you told me those people, they took your entire bag. So I'll give you extra clothes. If you not wear my clothes, wait till I give. Ifedima, my guy.
You see, by the time I'm done fixing your sides, you own your own site. So you can do whatever thing you choose to do.
Hold on, Vincent. Like, I will have my own website.
Of course. Just like me.
I can't wait.
But for now, I'll be teaching you how to clean up your pictures. You design them how you want. Mm-hmm. Like right now, we go to this side. This is it's called a spot remover. Okay. Like this one here is a patch tool, meaning you can pick up something to use it to design and make up someone's face, to look good, okay? Maybe this place that has gallop, you can fill it up. It's like you're patching up something.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you can do it. Okay. That's like, come on, put it on this face. On your face. Bam, you see.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
How about the brush?
Yeah. The brush is to use it. Let me put it to clean up all the debts on her face.
Hold on. Let me try this one.
Okay, try that one. Do it.
Good!
So you said it's simple.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's simple. It's simple.
Ah,
it's
my
simple.
pictures will now be.
Okay, you know you're a fine girl, yeah? So don't worry, where you have your own sites.
Yeah, this thing they always do. They will now shape the person. Sometimes they will bend the rod. Did you have to do that one?
That is designing. Try to design.
I don't want to bend iron. I don't want to be iron bender.
Don't worry, you do a whole lot with computer.
Oh God, I can't wait to have one.
Yeah.
I
But
can.
you know that having a site is very expensive. You know, but I will design it for you.
I'm sure you're not going to charge me.
A little. It's okay.
If my mind is not so strong about this. What if this guy is trying to bring me close so he can collect more money from me again?
That guy, relax now. Vincent no need your money. This guy makes money on his own. So calm down, let's learn this thing.
Hey, my guys are here. Cool.
Tell this animal say I no be guy.
Greet now.
Alpha.
Please, let's sit down.
Vincent. I better start going so you can attend to your visitors. I want to start going.
Which ones? These ones? They're not my visitors.
What?
If you don't misunderstand me. Well, Clara, what I'm trying to say is that they are not going to disturb what we are doing. And besides, your learning period has not elapsed.
It's okay. No need. I've learned enough today. At least you taught me how to create my own website. That's enough for the day.
If you say so.
I say so. So I'll see you on Wednesday so you can teach me more.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
One
Bye-bye.
love, baby.
You're welcome.
Did you notice what I see in that girl? She's exactly my type. The kind of waist I like. Hi, Fanta. We'll come see if you want to do this kind when you put up the ball.
Shut up. Shut up. Must you talk all the time? As a matter of fact, you make more sense when you're not talking. Zoike. My brother, please. We are here. Where do we stop?
Concentrate.
Do you have some of her pictures? Oh my God. Wait, what are you trying to say?
Eh? Wait, are you in any way calling me a woman rapper?
You said it yourself.
Ifedima, have you seen it? I've told you that this guy always gets on my nerves. Look, if this is how he wants to behave, I will just go back to my palm wine business, jejeje.
Calm down. Calm down. He's just pulling your legs.
Me, I don't want it. You see that pulling of leg, whether na my head, my shoulder, my knee, to make it not pull anyone.
Say, Mr. Man, for your information, that girl only deals with the masters. She doesn't have time for small boys like you.
I don't blame you. Eh? Tell me, who are the masters? No. Vincent, you dare call me small boy. Me, small boy. You know what? I have a promise for you. You see that girl? I will have her on my bed. And soon, you will know that I'm part of the masters. Animal.
Talk is cheap. Talk is cheap. Animal. Hey. Carry.
Look at me, say.
Easy now, you want to break my mind. You don't come and assist me. So, this is RIP to my investment.
Which one are you calling investment?
You should be lucky that we helped you to save people's lives.
What is this animal talking about? No, what is this animal, a castrated animal talking about? Look, do you think that you and that your miserable computer, even if you press it year to year, you both cannot achieve what I have achieved with this shop? Eh?
See, at the expense of people's life. Normally, if you go tell police what you do your sins, na life imprisonment. Not they shout to.
I beg, tell him.
You know, each time I hear you calling this thing an investment, I just feel like raising my hand and forgetting it on your face. Is this thing you are calling an investment? You should be happy that Ifedima and I helped you to save people's life, because what you are good at is to miss concussion, this poisonous substance you feed people with. And wine tapper.
Ifedima. No, Ifedima. What have you been telling this animal about my investment?
As you lock that shop, that's why I lock my mouth. I no tell him anything.
Oh, you think I don't know? Have you forgotten that we are neighbors? I see everything you do inside this place. All this concussion and this poisonous substance you mix for people to drink and die. This place is RIP.
So you mean you know all this well? And you did not spoil market for me?
Why will I do that? We are friends. And this is hustling. Everybody is hustling to survive.
Oh, this is the way you tell me now, just weak my mind.
Like say you know better person. Now hustling with them at the expense of people's life. Now on top human being life in the hustle. You see, they talk through, make container no fall on top you.
You should have woke up to me now, eh? For once, just try as I look. Some animals have sense. I can make it domestic cause you would have woke up to me and tell me, hello Mona, I love you. And I will tell you I love you now.
Come up for there. Love who? Me, Vincent. To love. I can't even like you, let alone to love you. See, for your information, for keeping mute, that I zipped my mouth and I didn't tell anybody what you have been doing in this place. You see that your 10,000 naira is gone. If I hear you talking about that 10,000 naira again.
You say? No, you just want to disgrace yourself. Eh? I have not just made you a domestic animal, you don't spread. Eh? You will go back to where you came from. Abandon us. What is bringing that 10,000 naira now into this issue? Eh? Animal. Eh? What is bringing the 10,000 naira now into this issue?
Oh, I know the market women now. Can we just go?
Is it not this animal that you brought in the midst of human being?
My leg don't depend me for here. No, we come out now.
Leave here before you use your horse leg to break. Someone will rent this shop. Don't go and use your horse leg to break these ties. Ewo. Come on, don't just go. I still have a gallon of palm wine. Who cares to drink?
Drink and die alone.
Animal. Horse, attention. You be fool. I will call some of all these boys to come and drink.
Hello, Mono. What's wrong with you? Why are you like this? Why do you like drawing us backward? Why am I having these feelings that you might die a poor man? What's this nonsense you're talking about bringing a native doctor? A native doctor to do what? See, we have drawn a perfect and good plan for ourselves. How we are going to go about it. And if you ask me, the plan is perfect.
Of course the plan is perfect, but let us tell ourselves the truth. This is pure robbery. Huh? No matter how we baptize it with hustle survivor, it is still robbery.
And so what? Is it worse than that thing you opened that you are slaying people's lives with poisonous substance that you call a drink and you call it a shop? Is it worse than that?
Vincent, don't just start. Don't start. For once, allow us to talk in peace. Must you bring my long dead business into this? Why can't you allow it rest in peace? Eh?
Listen, guys. There is time for everything. Okay? So this is not the time for your cat and dog fight.
If any man, you should refer this word to this animal that breathed through his anus. What is it with you? You will not allow my long dead business to rest in peace.
No. Enough. Back to the bone of contention. I think I agree with what he said.
Oh.
How?
You see, in life, the spiritual controls the physical. We need protection. Yes, we have our plans, fine, but we need to back it up spiritually. We need spiritual bait. We need audacious. We need protection.
If you reason this thing well, you know that that is what we need. Look, if we must do this, then let us do it very well. Let us do it like matured and reasonable men.
Very well then. In that case, I mean...
To us.
This calls for celebration. To us. Bring your hand, I want it us.
To us.
Don't just pass me like that, eh? You don't pass me like that now.
Okudifo!
Ifo.
Do you want me to make a case with you before you stop? You said you want to be my boyfriend. I said I'm not interested. Why can't you respect that?
I cannot respect that because I know my plans for you. I don't know if anyone has mentioned it to you before. You are the star girl of Umwenu and I need you in my life.
I cannot be in your life. I am already in someone else's life. Yes!
Someone who is not from this kingdom. Someone whose mother is a wayward. She does not even know who fathered her son. What I don't understand is why a beautiful damsel like you will be associating with such a character.
A bastard who is gifted with common sense is way far better than an idiot who parades himself as a freeborn. You are not only a bastard, you are completely senseless. Idiot, don't stop me again.
Let me get something. Did she actually just call me a bastard who is senseless? Ewo, mama, this girl just practically shot herself. Chimamanda, I will cripple you in this town. Ma Hey! Good.
Now the reason waiting at the thing.
Speak. Let me see if what you are reasoning is in line with mine.
This man has come.
Bam! You just said it for once that I met you are being reasonable.
How can you give us such conditions? Everything this man talks about we will do. This man has come.
Wait, you guys, I'm lost. What are you guys talking about?
This man is trying to help us with the charm.
Wait, why won't you be lost? Do you know any other thing other than pressing your computer?
The conditions are not something we can handle. Check now.
No. But the conditions are not difficult, if you ask me.
Vincent, can you mention these conditions again?
Yes, he said we should stay away from women.
One.
And then he said we should not eat any proper meal cooked with oil.
Two.
And he said we should not steal from anybody we have not seen.
Three. So can we handle that?
Wait. I'm beginning to get it.
No. How will you get it? Ewu. Animal. No, wait first. How is it possible for me, Elomuno, to stay away from women?
That's your department.
Yes.
Now, me that loves food. How can you tell someone like me that I should not eat any food that has oil in it? So you won't put me for forever fasting?
And me, Vincent the computer wizard, I should not steal from anybody I've not seen. When all my clients are on the internet. Wait, hey, this man a big scam.
He's an idiot.
Don't use his word, you use scan, see what they like. Or maybe you know if you do what we want. So in there you look for way to confuse us. Why will they talk? Which kind of condition with that?
So what are we going to do now? What will we go do?
See, we'll go change our plan. Great work. Thanks for your time and willingness to help us.
Go ahead and tell him the truth now. Why wasting time?
Relax and no go down on Alpha Jonjo. Our point is this. Is there no any other way we can do this apart from the conditions you gave us?
Why would that be? The conditions are very simple. And you people...
And what? How are they simple? How are they simple, Organic doctor? Even you yourself know that these things are not simple. You are very wicked. You are very wicked. You should have told us that you and these things you worship are not capable.
Do not talk about us like that. Else!
Else what? Else what? What can you do? Don't they have ears? Are they not hearing me? I've always known that you are a scam. Yes. You don't even look like a native doctor. Even come in native medicine, you don't know.
Young man, do not allow me invoke the wrath of the gods upon you.
Wrath. Don't invoke me yet. Which wrath? We're talking about solution, we're talking about wrath. How are we even sure that these things are?
Allow him. Invoke the wrath, let's see. Invoke it.
Does he look like someone that can invoke wrath? Not be only wrath you go invoke. You will invoke those spirits and the dead beings you serve. Animal.
Let's go.
Let's get out of this place. You see why I say you are powerless. You don't have any single power. If not, there will be chicken, ordinary native fowl, those ones that are bad, I would have seen them. No goats, no sound of sheep, no meh in your backyard.
You need charm. Come and have one. Come and take one. You want to see chicken and goats. Idiots.
So do we all agree to my plans?
Yeah, your plan makes sense, but I wish we could find another native doctor to run one or two for us. It will make more sense.
Can we just forget about this native doctor and whatever? See, we can do this on our own, in our own way.
Who told you? Just imagine being invisible while you rob people. You know the levels. You are seeing them, but they're not seeing you.
As tempting as it is, so long it will take us to a native doctor. Mba, my hands are off it.
Why are you scared of native doctors all of a sudden?
Ha! Fedima, not after our last experience.
Oh, who knows? Who knows their next decision? They might even ask us to cut off our head.
No, while I was just teasing you. Guy, your plans bad. I dig it.
Very good. So, we have to start today because...
Hey! Hi, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So
just started now.
What? Who was that animal that interrupted the wonderful kiss I was having with Sisi Clara?
Excuse me. By Clara, I hope you're not talking about me.
Hey, so you're here. I thought it was a dream. Oh, I didn't know I was kissing you live and direct.
What nonsense is going on here? What's this rubbish you're talking about? Vincent, what's going on here?
Don't worry. You see, just say yes to me now, and I will reject every other girl.
Are you mad?
Hey, how did you know? Do you know my first name is Smart? Elobono is just the later name. Look, I am madly in love with you and I don't want anybody, I don't need any pastor to deliver me from the madness, so... Hi! Ukufanta. Hi! Ukufanta.
My friend, get out of my face! Are you a fool? Vincent, what's going on here?
Please, Clara, forgive my friend. I'm sorry.
Your friend? You call this fool your friend? What sort of friend do you have? I thought you knew better.
Like I said, please forgive him. Actually, he has these strange feelings for you ever since he set his eyes on you.
Yes, my help me tell him. The love I have for you is making my brain to have stretch mark.
Please, don't mind him. I've already told him you are not of his class. I mean, you are not his type.
Well, you didn't pass the message well, because he clearly didn't get it. Now you listen. If you try what you tried today again, I will take you back to the trenches. Idiot. I came here for my lessons. I'll be waiting for you inside while you deal with your crazy fool.
I'm coming.
Come on to that man. You know, say you're mad. You already told her that we are not of her class. Which class you there? See Ronaldo. Why you gonna run your people down now? Let me ask you. Who the hell do you think you are? No, you were there her class. Who you be?
You see, Ronaldo, this horse. I blame you. I've known you never liked me. Me and you get shit past to the handle that can get. Ewu abandoned us.
You just run your people down.
Horse where they not even circumcised self. Now you where they not circumcised, now you call the talk. Mugu.
Don't come back here again.
I won't serve horse, no waste. Forget about Vicente. He's just, I'm sure he's just trying to keep that girl for himself. Oh, what rubbish.
No, not just like that. He said the girls not for big guys, not for masters.
Which one be now for masters? Eh? What big guys? No, tell me what big guys? Eh? What big guys? What is not big about me? If Edima, what is not big about me now? Have you even taken your time to check me out? Eh? Who is bigger than me? Is anybody bigger than me in this cable?
See, being big is not all about having big mouth. You get money, can you impress any girl? If you pop champagne.
You see why I'm angry with you? Eh? Let me tell you. You see all these girls? They need maximum satisfaction. And I have it. Eh?
It's not all about having maximum satisfaction. Do you have all it takes? Where you want to satisfy them? Who will pay for the hotel? I mean, you go carry the babe come this cattle. Listen up now. You don't have all it takes to keep a girl. If you carry girl go club now, you get car. You don't even get savings, so relax. Don't be by maximum satisfaction. Ibu jacket.
You have a point. But that's the more reason we're working hard now. Eh? You see that girl? Just leave that girl. She will be the one running after me.
Which year? Stop dreaming, guy. Don't they dream that kind of dream.
Wait. If Edima, whose side are you really on? Eh?
You think so I reverse of Vincent based on what he didn't talk about you?
Of course now. I saw the way you were mad at him after saying that rubbish in front of Kara.
I know the verse for him because of what he didn't talk about you. I the verse because what he didn't talk in front of that girl. That girl gonna see say me and you did the same category. Which will ruin my chances of getting her. And my anger be that. No be.
What's wrong with you? Eh? What is your problem? Eh? Look, a tenant should know how to talk to his landlord. Eh? Or have you forgotten your position in this house? Look, Clara is mine. Eh? You don't have any right to think about her.
No problem. I will not talk about her again.
No! Think about her. Let us clear it now. No think about her at all.
Okay, let's be realistic here now. Which time I should not think about a girl again? I will not talk about her. That's enough respect. But thinking about her, you won't block my brain. Every 2 minutes you go remind me say you be not. I will think about her now. But I will not talk about her. Only you feel fine. But I don't know this. Everything you remind me say you be
This guy will leave my house. There's no two ways about it.
Why are you telling me this? Why are you so interested in how I live my life?
I'm just concerned as a friend.
You are not my friend. You know this, so why are you sounding like this?
Are you going to disagree that you are not also my sister? At least we both come from this woman.
Go straight to the point. Tell me why you're suddenly interested in how I live my life.
Okudifu is a man of many sides. Are you going to tell me that you don't know what he represents in this town?
I don't care. I don't care what that man represents. Look, if he's the one that sent you here, tell him that I'm watching every step of the way. And if he keeps stalking me, if he keeps following me, I will lock him up.
When he finally rapes you, do not say that I did not warn you. Yes. Tell everybody that cares to listen that I warned you, but you did not listen to me. Yes.
What did you say? When he finally rapes me.
What do you mean? Is he the one planning to rape?
Is he planning to rape me?
Guys like you, your hearts, they are always filled up with all these big men numbers. But just pass small place, just give me that spare space so that I can show you what I can do. Just allow Elomuna to come into your life.
Ah, Clara, you've suffered.
You've suffered. Person go talk, even cop self go open mouth. Like you had the effrontery. See me passing. Like you dey see girl will be like me for this area. Have you ever seen any girl like me in this area? Don't you know that shoes, they have sizes? You don't know. You don't know your size. What can a man like you offer? No, really, what can a nonsense looking man like you, dustbin like you offer? What?
My name is Elmo Mono. I don't talk too much. Take. This is what I can offer.
Hey.
And you see where this one came from? Mom will come from there.
Are you serious? No, really.